To enroll the IQ power switch, select Settings, then Advanced Settings, and enter your installer or dealer code. Now select Installation, Devices, and finally choose Automation. To enroll with AutoLearn, select AutoLearn. Press and hold both the on and off switches at the same time for 3 seconds, and let go when the LED turns orange. The PowerG ID will appear. Select OK to continue. The sensor type will automatically appear as a light. Use the default name or a custom name. In this case, I'll enter IQ Power Switch. Now enter the optional 8-digit PIN code found on the sticker on the back of the IQ Power Switch. If the switch is already installed, you can find the PIN code on the box. Make sure to enter the correct PIN code to ensure correct operation, or, if you prefer, leave the PIN code blank. Finally, select if you want the device LED to turn on when the switch is on. The default selection is enabled. After a short time, the device LED will flash 3 times, indicating it is networked with the panel, and will indicate its signal strength. Now swipe the panel screen to see the automation device and interact with the IQ power switch.